Hello everyone. Today's video will be an extension of the previous video I posted regarding the IAM key rotation process. I received multiple comments on that video requesting that the few people were not able to implement it properly. So in this video, I'm trying to provide a CloudFormation template for the entire process end to end so that you can just deploy that template into your environment and implement the process. Moreover, I'm also going to provide some peripheral services which will help you to automate the entire process. So I'll give a brief on what we are going to do in today's video. So the first one is the event bridge rule. So I have created two rules, one for the invocation of key management lambda and second for the invocation of key deletion lambda. Now in this video, I'm not going to go into the details of what each lambda does. For that, you can refer the previous video. I will also put a link of that video in the notes for this one. So the first lambda, that is key management lambda, is scheduled to run on the first day of every 2 months. And the key deletion lambda is scheduled to run on the 5th day of every 2 months. The key management lambda will extract details from the secrets manager and accordingly update the IAM keys for that particular user. Once those are successfully updated, it will go back to the secrets manager and update the new key details. On the 5th day, the key deletion lambda will access that particular key and it will delete the inactivated key which was done by the key management lambda. In either of the lambdas, on success, a SNS topic will be called and an email will be triggered to the end user. Now you can very well adjust the on success to on failure and trigger an email when any of the process fails. So this is the brief about the peripheral services on the Lambda functions. Now this one is clear. So let's go to the CloudFormation template and see what all details I have added there. Okay. So this is my CloudFormation template for the entire process. I'll give you a walkthrough of what all details I have added here. The first section is the description. I have just provided some description for the process, what this template represents. Then the next section is parameter. I have given different parameters, their type, description, and the default value. So the first one is the bucket, where I'm going to put my Lambda code in a zip format, which will be accessed by the CloudFormation template in the Lambda section. The second one is the IAM policy name, which I'll be giving to the role associated with the Lambda function. Then I'm giving a name for the IAM role, which will be tagged to the Lambda function. Next one, we have the key management Lambda function name and the key management Lambda function rule. So this is the event bridge rule, which will invoke the key management Lambda function at specified frequency. Then I have the key deletion Lambda function name and key deletion rule name. Again, the same. The event bridge rule will invoke the deletion function. Then I have given the SNS topic name, which I have defined to send the email notification to the support team member or the end user. The subscription. So in this case, I have given the Gmail address of my email account. In your scenario, you will provide the email address for the support team or the end user. Then I have given the schedule for the key management rule. Here I have given the cron tab. What I have given here is I'll be executing this function on the 3rd day because I want to show it to you today. So today is the 3rd May. So I'm setting up the date as 3rd. I'm giving the time in the GMT. So it always takes the time in the GMT. So I'm saying at 2:45 p.m. on the 3rd day of 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, and 11th month, irrespective of the day for all years, this rule will be triggered. The next one is the deletion schedule. Ideally, I would prefer to have a gap of 5 days between the updation of key modification and the deletion of the inactivated key. But to provide a demo, I am giving a gap of just 5 minutes. Now all these parameters which we have defined here, You can modify them as per your environment, as per your naming convention or the standards you follow in your project. So these are all things which can be changed. Then the next section is the resources. Here we are providing the various services we have created. So the first one is the SNS topic. Here I'm providing the details of the topic I have created. So I'm referring with the exclamation sign ref, the topic name which we have defined on the top section, and I'm passing it here. Then I have provided some tags to identify the resource or the service we have created. Then the subscription, where I'm providing the email address which we have given, and the protocol is email. Then we have the SNS topic policy, where I'm saying that I'm allowing all services of AWS to perform these activities, that is SNS publish, get topic attributes, set topic attributes, receive, add permission, remove permission, and subscribe on the topic we have defined for the account which belongs to this one. So any service in this account will be able to perform these activities on the topic defined. So when you deploy this in your account, my account will not be able to access it because the condition will not be satisfied. The next one is the access to the SNS topic. So I am allowing the Lambda function and the event bridge rule to perform the SNS publish on the topic we have defined. Then we have the Lambda policy. This is the IAM policy we have defined. What it does is perform IAM delete access key, update access key, create access key, and list access key. So these are the features, or these are the activities we are performing for this case, but it is allowed to perform these activities only on those users which starts with B cloud or borrowed cloud. So you have to identify what kind of naming convention you are following in your account or in your project, and accordingly you have to modify this policy. Then I'm providing access to the secret manager with get secret value, list secret, and update secret. Again, I'm providing this access only to those secrets which are starting with secret hyphen B cloud, that is borrowed cloud, and start. So any name can follow after this. The third one is I'm allowing to publish the message to the SNS topic we have defined above. Then I'm creating the Lambda role. Here I am providing the assume role for this Lambda, and the policy I'm attaching is the Lambda basic execution and the policy we have defined above. Again, I'm passing the role name which we have defined in the parameter section and followed by the tags. Then we are coming to the Lambda function definition. So here I'm providing the name of the Lambda function, the description, the handler, runtime, and the role we have just defined above. I am providing the memory size and timeout. So these parameters you have to change as per the number of secrets you are going to modify in your case. Here I'm providing the bucket name where the Lambda code, the .zip file resides, and I'm providing the key name or the key for that particular file. So in this bucket, I'm providing the key where the file is available. Then we have the tags and the environment variable which we are passing. Then we have the rule, event bridge rule defined. Here I'm providing the rule name, the description, and the expression, the cron type expression which we have defined in the parameter section. It is enabled, and the target is the function, the key management function ARN. It is not sufficient to just define the rule, but we also have to provide permission to the event bridge rule to invoke the Lambda function, and that is what is done in this section. So here I'm providing the permission on this function to the event bridge to invoke the function. I'm providing the rule name which is going to invoke it. Then we have the notification. So in case here I'm considering the on success scenario, that whenever there is a successful execution of the Lambda function, an email will be triggered to this topic and whatever the subscription are associated with this topic. If you want to perform email notification on the failure, instead of on success, you can put the on failure, and the rest will play as is. The next section is the deletion function. So it is same to what we have defined above, just the function is different. So that function, the different function is available here in the code. I'm providing a different key in the same bucket, followed by the rule definition. So here the schedule is different, the deletion function name is different, and then we are invoking we are giving the permission to invoke that lambda function from the event bridge, and followed by the notification. So this is what the CloudFormation template is. As I mentioned earlier, you can modify the parameters given here. You can have a different name as per your standards. You can provide a different cron tab schedule as per your need, and then you can you can use this modified template in your project. So in next section, we will see how this template is uploaded, or how this template is deployed, and how it creates the resources. Okay, so just quick check of the time so that we can update our schedule accordingly. Right now it is 2:50 p.m. at GMT. So let's provide a time of 15, that is 3 p.m. to run our first function, that is key management schedule, and provide a time of 15:05 to execute the second function, that is the key deletion schedule. Let's save this file, and we'll go to the CloudFormation service, and we'll create the stack. So let's start with the new stack creation. Here we'll use the template is ready, and we'll upload the file. So here I have uploaded my file. Click next. We have to provide the name for the stack. So I'm saying IAM key management process, or let's say key rotation process. And here it provides us with the parameters we have defined in the template. So if you want to change anything, we can change that property or that function or that parameter here. But we don't want to do any changes, so let's click next. Here we can provide the tag to our CloudFormation templates. We can provide a role if we want to execute it with some other roles. Otherwise, it is mentioned here, if you don't choose any role, the CloudFormation uses the permission based on the current user credentials, the one which we have logged on. It provides the stack failure options, so we'll not change anything, and we'll click next. Then it provides us the summary of what all things we have provided, and if we want to make any changes before we go and deploy the stack. At the bottom, we have to check this feature that we acknowledge that it is going to create an IAM resource, because we are creating an IAM policy, IAM role. So after checking the option, let's create the stack. Now the stack creation process is in progress. I'll just give you one more point which I want to mention, that I'm providing, or I'm creating this stack in the North Virginia region. The reason for that is the bucket where I've uploaded my code is located in the North Virginia region. So the bucket and the environment of the bucket where code is uploaded, and the stack where you're going to deploy it should be in the same environment. So let's go back to the CloudFormation and see the progress. Now, if you see here, it will provide us the events which are taking place, and as you can see, some are in progress, some are completed. If you go to the resources, it will provide a list of resources which are created so far. So we can see that the SNS topic has been created, and the subscription is also complete. So let's go to the email account and see if we have received the notification. So we have received this notification to confirm the subscription. So let me click on it. Okay, so then my subscription is confirmed. Now, hereafter, whenever there is any notification generated by the SNS topic, I will receive that here. So let's wait for the completion of the stack. So meantime, we can see what all resources it has created. So all those links are available here. So first one is the SNS topic. Then we have the management and the deletion rule created. So let's see what is the rule created. Then we have the function created, the key manage function and the key deletion function. We have the lambda role created and the policy created. So as we can see, the stack is complete. The status is create complete. So this is our first event bridge rule, that is key manage rule. And as we can see, it will trigger this function, or this rule will be triggered at 3 p.m. GMT. And the next schedule, it provides the next 10 schedules for it. So the next one is the 3rd May, 15 hours, that is 3 p.m. So in next 5 minutes, it will be triggered. So this is the second rule which was created, and it is 15:05, that is 3 p.m. 3.5 p.m. It will be triggered. This is the function created. So we have the trigger as a cloud event bridge rule, and we have the destination as a SNS topic. The tags are created, whatever we have given in our template, all those tags are created. Apart from that, CloudFormation template also provides some extra tags, that is the stack name, the stack ID, and the logical ID, which is present. The logical ID is present in our template, so accordingly it is attached to the resource it has created. Similar thing is available for the second function. Here we have the role. For role as well, we have tags created, and this is the rule. So let's go back and wait for next 4 minutes. Once the function is triggered, I will resume the video, and then we can see the output in the secrets manager in the IAM console, and we'll see the log it has created in the CloudWatch logs. TT time zone is 3:01, so the process must have been executed. So let's go to the CloudWatch log, and we can see a log is created here. It says that for this particular user, the key has been inactivated and a new key has been generated. So let's go and check what keys we have. So this is the secret manager, and this is the older key we have. The access key is ending in HE, and the secret access key is ending in EV. Similarly, at the IAM console, the access key is ending in HE. So let's refresh both pages, the secret manager and IAM. And we can see the the access key is ending in IP, and the secret access key is ending in PH. Let's check what keys we have here. We can see that the new access key is created, which is ending in IP, and the old access key, the one which is ending in HE, has been inactivated. Now, as per the schedule of the second Lambda function, that is the key deletion function, it will come and clean or delete this inactivated key, so that the next time onwards only one key is available, which is the active key. So let's wait for another 3 minutes, because we have the Lambda function scheduled to run in next 3 minutes. In the meantime, we have also received the notification saying that the function has been successfully completed. You can see here the process key creation and secret update has completed successfully. There are some other details available in the message which are related to the process, like the time of execution and few more details like the account number, region, etc. So let's wait for next 2 minutes and I'll resume the video once we have the second function executed. 05 GMT. So the second process, the key deletion process must have executed. And if we go here to the CloudWatch log of key delete, we can see the process has been executed. And it says the older key, the one which is ending in HE, has been deleted. It was already inactivated by the first process, but by this process, it has been deleted. So let's go to the IAM console and refresh the page. We can see two keys here, but after the refresh, we should only see one. And we just have the key ending in IP, which is the active key available here, and the inactivated key has been deleted. So this is the entire process end to end with the peripheral functions, so with the peripheral services and the CloudFormation template. So now when you use this CloudFormation template in your respective region with whatever the standard or naming convention you follow, you will be able to implement this process end to end without any issues. Again, a word of caution, which I also provided in my last video, that you should not share these keys and the secret keys with anyone, because anyone who has access to these keys will be able to perform all the activities this user is able to perform in your account. So as soon as this video is over, before I upload it to the YouTube, I will be deleting these keys. So these will not be useful and no one will be able to use these keys to perform any activities. So word of caution for you as well. Please be very careful with your keys. Even if you see the code I'm uploading, I have not provided anywhere my keys, and you should also follow the same process. The CloudFormation template which we discussed earlier, I will be uploading this to the Git repository, and I'll provide a link of that in the notes for this video. So you can go there, refer this, download this, and use it in your process. So please go through this, implement it in your account, and let me know what issues you're facing, or if any issues you're facing. So thanks for watching my video and have a good day.